eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hands.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 13 of the biggest photo shoot in Vancouver, the photo shoot collaboration in Vancouver. And today I'm working on a nature shoot at Queen Elizabeth Park and Jericho Beach. So I'm going for some nice shoots with the flowers in Queen Elizabeth Park, and we'll head over to the beach to do some more water shoots. And yeah, the traffic light just stopped because a lot of people are watching now. So yeah, peace out and just enjoy. Thank you. There's a mic.
Oh, it's my flower. Hi. Oh, we're here in Elizabeth Park. Oh, it's very cool.
Yeah.
So we can record here. That's cool.
So it's recording now, so you can say something.
Oh, it's recording now.
Yeah.
So we're here at Elizabeth Park, and we're about to take a photo shoot with the roses, garden roses, the red roses. And yeah, I don't know what do you want me to say.
You see, it's hard vlogging. Apparently.
You say something.
I don't know what to say. This is the first time I'm meeting you, so I'm quite shy. Not really shy, but
Are you? Are you really?
yeah. For the first time I'm meeting you.
Ah, that's alright. Me too.
You know, you don't seem shy.
I don't?
No, you don't seem shy.
I am friendly, that's true.
Yeah, you can tell.
Okay, let's see.
An Indian team shoot. Like a wedding shoot.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah, it was so hectic.
How was it?
It was my full day to do that.
Ah,
But it was worth it.
it's worth it, right?
Yeah. Apparently we're back in the scene, so
We're just walking. We're trying to find out the perfect spot.
yeah, there's no spot yet. There's a lot of parking lots.
We're at the parking lot.
Whoa,
It's hot.
not really.
No?
The sun is just out. It's kind of cool at the same time. Why would they put anything here? Like, it looks like there's nothing here. I don't want to come here.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I've been to this park for like maybe 10 times.
Oh my god. Have
I've
you
not
never
got to
been
this
here?
park, yeah.
And there's also like a lagoon, like a mini lake.
Yay, the sun is back at my face.
I hope I'm taking you to the right place.
You just have to.
No,
I hate this park so much. 'Cause
yeah, I
coming
think it's
up,
here.
it's hard.
Yes, it's here. Yeah, I was coming out of here. I think there's like a mini lake near. Have you been to the lake?
Nope.
No.
Is this really real?
Yeah, it's like, well, it's not a river. It's like a mini, like a lagoon. I'm not sure. It's here. We're close to. Is the duck pond.
Oh, the pond. Oh, I've been there. It's not-
You been there?
Yeah.
It's just like a mini
It's not
mini
cool.
water. No. It's just no. You cannot go in there. Oh, okay. Hello, my name is Alejandra. Hola, amigos. We are here at the Elizabeth Park doing a beautiful photo shoot with all the red roses. So excited! Muchas gracias, amigo.
So yeah, we're done with the first shoot, and yeah, moving to the second of it. Yeah, so she went to get third outfit ready, and I'm just going to do some videos of myself and wait for her to be back. And yeah. So we are done with the shoot, and it was really nice. A lot of sunset vibes. The sun is actually out now, so yeah.
It was amazing. I love this photo shoot. It was so much fun. Thank you so much. And follow me on Instagram, Alejandra Rowe, and follow him.
Yeah.
He's the best photographer in Vancouver.
Woo! You've heard that. So like, subscribe, and yeah, you're gonna follow the project and the emoji. Yeah, peace out. Thank you. Bye.